This will be a video chart on KBLB. I'm not sure if I've ever done this one before, but nonetheless, very popular chart today. I had a bunch of people asking about it, and you can see here, huge volume, but most importantly, the price reacted nicely with it. Made some great strides today in terms of what you would want to see happen in regards to resistances and stuff like that. Still work to be done, but definitely a very good day for the bulls. This action today should definitely set off some radars and scanners tonight and the rest of this week. But now it just really becomes a question of what kind of consolidation are we going to get. Sure, the price may just continue going on up, but at the same time, the key thing for a lot of these penny stocks is what sort of consolidation is it going to get. I mean, it's not uncommon for the price to make a move like this, but the true test of strength really becomes, or really kind of shines forth in terms of, well, what kind of consolidation does it get? Is the price just going to fall right back down here within the next couple of days, or is it actually going to be able to maintain these gains that it's had? And obviously that remains to be seen, but with today's action and today's volume, it's looking like the bulls are hopefully going to make a stand and start to put in some higher lows here. So the first key thing that I like to see happen, or that I liked that happened today, was we had this range right around here, and I'm just going to call it 0.083, but I'm getting this from just simply looking back over the course of the chart. You can see right here this whole area acted as support a bunch of times. Once again acted as support right there. So a lot of price history here, and this was a key level of support. You can see on this day here when the price did fall, it became resistance. The price tried to bounce up above it right here, could not do it. So this was just it kind of reaffirming itself as being a resistance, and then the price hasn't seen it since. Today rolls around, and the bulls approached it and pretty much just cruised right by it, which was a good sign of strength right there. And not only that, they managed to close above it and way above it. So it's not like it just barely closed above it or anything like that. The bulls, really kind of put a stamp of authority on it here in terms of getting through it and then closing way above it. So this level right here was a resistance, but being that the price closed above it, it is now a level of support. So keep that in mind. 0.083 is going to be one of our levels of support. Now in terms of kind of key supports and ones that you want to see hold no matter what, no excuses, that level is going to come right here in the form of the 200-day simple moving average. That is this black line right here that I am pointing out. You can see here that it is sloping upwards. Right now it's valued at 0.075. So 0.083 and 0.075 are definitely going to be the two key levels of support that you want to see the price hold. Now in terms of resistance levels, not too shocking here. There's quite a bit of price history that I'm going to call just pretty much 0.0975. Sure, you have a bunch of different levels up here, but you can see that they're essentially all right around the same area. So this 0.075, 0.0975 area is definitely going to be a level of resistance, and actually that's right where the price bounced off it today. But even if you get through there, then you'll have 10 cents. But this whole little clump kind of highs right here is going to be what you can consider as resistance. So that is the first level of business there in terms of future battlegrounds where you want to see the bulls push through. And the final thing I want to end on is just secondary, as all indicators are, but the MACD did get a nice bullish crossover through the zero line, so that's always a nice secondary support. But overall, the chart's looking good. It's just a matter of what sort of consolidation are we going to get going forward. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was KBLB. Thanks for listening.